Suncoast Community Health Centers want to help Tampa Bay area kids be ready to go for the new school year. Josette Sukai and Cindy Cunningham join me with everything that they provide so your family is good to go when the bell rings. Welcome to the show, ladies. How are you?
Very well. Thank you for having us.
We're excited when you're here. We've had Suncoast on before, and so just getting to know what you do and most importantly, your passion for the community and helping others. I think that's where you stand out to me. Just explain to everybody what you're able to do for the community.
Absolutely. So we do have a passion for the community, as you stated, and our passion is in improving the health of our communities, and we deal with everyone, from age 0 before they're born, all the way to geriatric care. So we're able to offer a lot of different services, and right now, because of the time of year, we have a big back to school push. And so we wanted to be able to share with the community everything that we have available for that.
And so many times it's like when you think of back to school, my mind always went to like that first day outfit or like the backpack. You think of those things that sometimes you don't necessarily think of the importance of those physicals, of those appointments to make sure everything. How important is that, and what services are you able to provide?
Absolutely. So our health maintenance, those are the annual appointments for kids, are very important because they deal with preventative care. And so what we do during those health maintenance appointments is we take a look at Florida shots, make sure all immunizations are up to date. We do vision and hearing screenings. And what people don't always know is that we also do depression and anxiety screenings during those visits.
Really?
Yes. And every location that we have has a behavioral health services available on certain days to be able to address issues and do counseling with young people.
Well, I want to bring Cindy in because I think this is fabulous, and I'm assuming you see an uptick when the fall rolls around of that student that may be sitting in the back row and all of a sudden can't see the whiteboard. That's where you come in to help, right?
Well, we have optometry services at most of our Suncoast clinics, and students are encouraged to get their eyes checked. And if you can't see the blackboard, you're not going to learn very much. So there's a lot of open slots for students. We have walk-ins for students, both for their school physicals, their sports physicals, and their optometry.
Well, and I love the optometry because, maybe correct me if I'm wrong, but normally you think of that as something separate. You think of that as a separate destination. You've got to hear the feedback from families that it's so nice to be able to knock it out all at one spot.
Absolutely. In fact, they can actually go from seeing their provider for health maintenance, go right to the optometrist if they need to, and even go to the dental department as well. So it is a one-stop shop.
And of course, you do receive some of that feedback. You were just saying you had an event this past weekend that was successful as well, right?
Yes, we did.
We went to Leonard High School. Wow, there was a big staff of Suncoast employees. Our IT department was there, nurses, providers, helping the students with back to school physicals and immunizations. So it was a big push, and if you missed going to that, of course, come to Suncoast. They can come for as a walk-in anytime they want.
Well, and you were chatting too, when I think of these back to school fairs, I'm like, okay, what's the day? What are the hours? What's the location? I couldn't be more wrong, because you say that this is actually something that anybody can drop in when it comes to places at Suncoast. Correct.
So if someone needs to come in to do a sports physical or a school physical, say you weren't able to book your health maintenance or insurance isn't going to pay for it because you're not due yet. You can come in to get a school physical, and you can do it as a walk-in, because we do take walk-ins for that. Now, there is a price for school and sports physicals. For established patients, it's $15. For new patients, it's $20. But then we're able to get the paperwork done, get the kids back in school, get them ready to go back to school. And I love that we offer services like that.
This is really special. I can tell how excited you both are. There's the information you see on your screen so that you can get more information about Suncoast Community Health Centers today. Ladies, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.